Welcome to the third video of me buying a fridge. After the Jumia fridge purchase failed, I decided to take a familiar route. Hotpoint Kenya. I found a fridge that seemed to fulfill my expectations. Oh my goodness, we got through that. It was beautiful from the inside. I mean, it's all right on the outside, but it's more beautiful on the inside, and that's all that matters. Okay, so this fridge is from the company Vaughn. It has glass shelving on the inside, and I love that. And also a bigger capacity. However, it didn't have the double doors that I was seeking. The freezer section and the main part of the fridge were housed in like a common section. Basically, it just had one door. This fridge was bigger and prettier on the inside compared to the Ramton's fridge off of Jumia. Was initially 30-something thousand, discounted to 20-something thousand. I'm sure I showed some clips for you to compare. So it came down closer to the Jumia's fridge initial price before. Now that Jumia fridge was discounted, except this was a bigger fridge. And so I felt so lucky to have found this fridge. However, I didn't like the legs of this fridge. They looked out of place and ugly. They are functional though. They help balance the fridge. I didn't buy it right away. I waited till Friday when they had their Black Friday offer, where they offer you a gift depending on your spending tier. Like if you spend 20,000 shillings at Hotpoint on this Friday between 11 a.m. and between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. you qualify for our silver tier gift. Friday came, I bought the fridge, warranty and all, and I even got the gift. They told me the fridge would be delivered the next day to the specified location. Oh, and along with the fridge, they advised me to buy a surge protector, and I would also totally recommend that to you. Thanks to the discount, I was able to actually buy the surge protector on that day too. The next day, the fridge was delivered at this time. I forgot. They delivered it and installed it, and we had to wait 8 hours before finally turning on the new fridge. The fridge is here and I'm so happy. Surge protector, and that added to the price, so it came to around 28,000. Oh my goodness, this is perfect for this small space. And then it has like a 7-day return period, so we're keeping the box for 7 days. It's on probation for 7 days. This shelves, and I like how they're separated. You have some shelves on this side, and then on this side, the shelves on this side are bigger. It's stains like this that bother me, but I hope that can come off. I don't know why a new fridge has to have stains, but even the Jumia one had kind of similar problems. It comes with one key, an egg tray, and then this ice tray. When I turned on the fridge, it was much noisier than I expected. Although it's like an on and off type of things, you know, it gets noisy for a little bit, then it gets silent-ish. Anyway, but I was still proud of my purchase. The fridge has been cleaned and it's ready to turn on. Turn it on. It's been 8 hours. Okay. Oh. Okay. Came on. Oh my goodness. Oh, this button. Okay. Looking good. It definitely has a sound. It's noisier than I'm used to. My LG fridge is much more quieter. I love it. I admire this fridge. Wow.
Mimi nashangaa sana mpango space here.
The door. But you have to. Yeah, where was that? Nahizo. Avocado. Like this. Oh my, it has a place to like tuck the wire at the back or the plug. Like you just tuck it here like. Wow, that is so cool. Just like that. Oh my goodness. So it goes around here and then you put it here. I think so. It's on. And here and start. Wow. Sorry. Water is ready. Just open. Oops.
So is it hot? Ooh.
Yep. It works good. I like that it's white on the inside. I like bright colors. Anyways, we've come to the end of another successful fridge buying video. Yay, I was happy with my purchase from Hotpoint. Or you can support this channel by liking and sharing this video. Hey, it could help somebody, or it probably helped you, so you know, subscribe for more help. Or if you just want as gratitude to just help me get to 1,000 subscribers, road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Like, share, and subscribe. I found a fridge that came close to fulfilling most what?
Fulfill me.
That time's a charm. To fulfilling my